Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the On Time Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over and just put a dimple in. And there we have it. Bring this over to the center. We're going to come up and under like that. Over the top like this. Come across the bottom here. I'm going to fold it down. Technique I learned from Boris Mocha. I'm also going to come down like this. There we have that. Then I'm going to come up and through like this. I'm going to start my wreath pattern here. Like this. Then we're going to come back down like this and then just come around like that. Then do another wreath. Like so. Put my collar down. There you have it. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.